using the remote touchpad. Models equipped with a remote touchpad can access and adjust many vehicle features available through the navigation display using the ease of fingertip operation. Let's quickly review its controls. Pressing the menu button on the center console displays the main menu screen. Use the remote touchpad like a mouse. It can be moved around to control the on-screen buttons. You can select a highlighted feature by pressing down. Pressing Map displays the map screen. To zoom out on the map, pinch in with your fingers. To zoom in, pinch out. The remote touchpad can be customized to your preferences by pressing Menu, then Setup. In the General category, use the up and down arrows to scroll, or select the control bar, and slide your finger up or down on the touchpad. Then deselect it when finished. Here you can adjust a variety of features. Remote touchpad customization includes selection sound on or off, pointer sound on or off, error sound on or off, pointer sound volume, feedback force, cursor speed. Blue arrows indicate more options, and multi-touch command. For example, let's select feedback force. Selecting 3 will increase the feedback through the controller, and the toggle between the on-screen buttons will be stiffer. Selecting 1 will lessen the feedback and make the toggle between on-screen buttons softer. 2 is in between, and off will turn feedback force off. Once you've made your change, select the feature again to close it. This will hide the options. Select the back button to return to the previous screen. The system will save your settings. For more information, you can check out the other helpful Lexus how-to videos, or go to lexusdrivers.com and select Videos under the Resource tab. Then search for a topic. If your vehicle is equipped with navigation, reference your Technology Quick Guide that came with your vehicle. We're here to help. Contact your Lexus dealer to speak with a Lexus technology specialist, or contact Lexus Customer Satisfaction at 800-255-3987.